You could spend this $100 on some kind of new t-shirt, or out of this $100 you can make this much money just within 2 days using my own strategy. And to know how, watch this video. But let's talk first why you should trade using my strategy and plus the levels. So I prepared for you an example on Swiss franc and the Japanese yen trade. Okay, let me just use the horizontal line, pick for myself the lowest point, let it be like this one here. It's this candle, and as you can see, we have a level here, level of support, which is really a good level just because the price has touched this level multiple times and gave the reaction. And you see that we have an impulsive candle. That's one that overlays with its body, not the shadow. Be careful, friends, with it. This minimum point, and then we have an inside bar coming after it. And this is your sign at that time whenever that candle just formed. The next second, enter your trade for 2 minutes with the call option. And if you entered that deal, you would have a profitable deal. And this serves as a first sign, right? And why we need a level here, because maybe without using my strategy, you would think that this is the false break. Like this is just the level is having a breakthrough of the price. So this green candle over here serves as a second sign that the price right now is expected to go up. It was just a false breakthrough because, guys, it is market, it happens, but still we are seeing the reaction from this level just a minute later. So friends, this is pretty much it for this strategy. Nothing more that you need, but let me just find, okay, actually over here I have an example. So we are having the level in between our support and resistance zones. I would pick this maximum point over here because in this strategy, guys, the green candles, they also count as the minimum points. It's shadow actually. And the red candles, they serve as a maximum points also with the shadows. So friends, as you can see, we have an inside like an impulsive green candle, an inside bar coming in after it. And if you enter your deal with the put option for 2 minutes, you will have a profitable deal. Let's go ahead and search for some examples. So I just went with the call option on pound sterling and Australian dollar trade, and let's go ahead and see why. So again, I'm using my own strategy, and for this strategy I just need to pick the horizontal line in my drawing tools, which is over here. As you can see, I already have it on my chart, and so I did find the lowest point, which was over here, and using the horizontal line we see that there is a really impulsive candle, which is a red one that overlays with its body our lowest point, and then we have the inside bar. Well, yes, it is also an impulsive green candle, but still it's smaller than our red one, so we can count this as an inside bar. And so whenever you see something like this, this is the clear sign for you to go with the call option and set your deal for 2-minute time expiration. And so also we are seeing the level, so sometimes we also can use the rectangle and draw it this way. Let me just fix it really quick. So here, so we had 2 touchings to this level. Also there is the third one, so basically this was the 4th touching, like the clear one. And so we have the income and the trading here of 84%, and also we have just 5 seconds left in 3, 2, 1, and that's a profitable deal. So let's move to the next trading pair, friends. And for this deal, I picked the trading pair, which is the US dollar trade. And again, so overall, we are seeing the downtrend, but with some consolidation, basically when the price keeps going back and forth. But after this consolidation, we are seeing that the downtrend is trying to continue on. But still, we can find the lowest point over here. So we had like multiple ones that stopped at the same point. And so we have an impulsive candle, we have the inside bar coming after this impulsive candle, so another sign for us to go with the call option for a 2-minute deal. And also we can draw a small level of supports. So I'm gonna go ahead, use the rectangle again, and here So we had two touchings to the zone over here, and there was the third one, but sometimes we can have the false breakthrough of the price, but you see the price is coming back to its level of support. And so the income on this trading pair is also really great, 84%. And you have to remember already from my videos that we do trade the trading pairs that have income more than 75%. So 84% just great. And speaking of that deal, we have just like about 10 seconds left till we know the results. So nothing really complicated in this strategy, and here it is, another profitable deal. So I think that's great. So again, moving next, friends. I went with the call option on Australian dollar and the Swiss franc trade. I opened my deal for 2 minutes, as I do whenever I use my strategy that I recently came up with. So again, using the horizontal line, picking the lowest point. I picked for myself this one. And so actually we can also use this green candle, just because the green candles, they also count, friends. And zooming out, we see the impulsive candle coming, like overlaying this lowest point with its body, not the shadow, guys. Be please careful whenever you do this, whenever you use my strategy in the inside bar coming after it. And also for those who know also about the levels, sometimes we can use the level, and it's better to use the level in the strategy just because this is our second sign that we should enter that trade. Okay, so it's over here. So basically we did have like 1 touching, 2 touching, 3 touching to this level. And so the income on this trading pair is 78%, which is also great. And speaking of the deal, we have just 13 seconds left. Actually, it took me a while to find the situation that I liked because the market is kind of not really impulsive. So it's great that I did find that situation. And another profitable deal. So it's our third one in a row. Let me just go and find something else. I'll be lucky. So actually, friends, I went ahead and checked the rest of the market, and I didn't really find any of the situation that I really liked. The market, by the end of the day, is not very impulsive. The candles are very small, so I'm not gonna trade that kind of market. So I do really hope this video was useful. If it was, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and I really hope to see you in my next videos. Bye bye!